welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It is Jennifer here. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a week's worth of vlogging. I am here in beautiful Costa Rica. I'm currently at Oxygen Jungle Villas. Right behind me is my villa, which I will be showing. The first day was Sunday and we came from the Fort Lauderdale airport. It got pretty dark. It gets pretty dark quick in Costa Rica, and we actually had this amazing meal at a gas station. So good. We start leaving. We have a 3-hour drive to get to the beautiful villa from the airport. So we made it to the villa very nicely and we had a very good night's rest, and this is where the true vlog starts. So now we're getting ready to go out and get some breakfast. We're in our gym clothes because we're going straight to the gym after breakfast. So now we're going up to get our breakfast. Look at the views. So we are at Oxygen Jungle Villas, and right now we are waiting for, where's the light? We are waiting for breakfast to come, and they have us sitting at this cute little table, and then with this amazing view. Here's the pool, and then you can see everything from here. And then there's Stephanie. It's just so beautiful out here, and I can't wait to show you the food. So because of COVID, they don't have physical menus, so we got it sent to our phones. It's just still like the same thing anyways, and they are really safe here about COVID, guys. Like, all of the staff, all the workers are wearing masks, trying to keep everyone as safe as possible. And if you think about it, you're secluded basically from anyone unless they're here in the villa and you're eating around the pool. So they're really safe about COVID, and they're taking those restrictions and guidelines very seriously, so it is safe to come here. So we have Andy and Christina joining us for breakfast. Get it. And we got some complimentary mango juices, super delicious. Thank you. So I just got the seasonal omelet. And it looks so delicious. There's a bunch of veggies in there. We got the tomato, we got this little arugula salad going on. I'm gonna give it a test bite. Just finished breakfast, and now we're back in our villa, just recollecting our thoughts. Stephanie's gonna use the restroom, and then we're gonna head down to the gym, which is a mile down the hill. I'm not worried about going down. I'm worried about coming up. That's the cardio, Jennifer. I know that's the cardio. So we're walking down now, down this really steep hill. Oh, it's about a mile down, and we're like running down, walking, running. So I started running now. And yeah. Okay guys, so me and Stephanie just finished our hike down. We actually got a ride from Andy and Christina because it was kind of far and we were not gonna do all that. But I'm here.
It was not far. We could have made it, and we're gonna walk back up.
But we're here at Knockout Fit Gym. Let's come inside, and this is the lovely owner, Isaac.
Hi, I'm Isaac. My Instagram is Knockout Fit Gym. You can follow my page. We do here a functional training with boxing training, so follow the page.
Yep, so right now we're just gonna do a little bit of a workout with some of the equipment. We're actually gonna do a functional class with Isaac. He's gonna prepare that. So I'll show you guys that for... just finished at the gym. It was like a little workout that we did. Now we're going to the supermarket. I'm not entirely sure what we're getting, but Stephanie's always hungry, so we're gonna find something for
When I lived in Venezuela, we only pretty much had the chocolate, like, frosted flakes, and they're called sucaritas. So it's kind of cute seeing these and not seeing the original ones. Like, it's literally like they have more of these than they have these.
That's so funny.
That's one
Oh, yummy! Oh yeah! Yeah! You're welcome! So right now we are at the pool shooting some awesome content. I'm wearing Dia Rose swimwear, and so is Stephanie and Christina, and we're all just doing little clips. So yeah, this is super fun, and I'm gonna show you guys some behind the scenes. So here's some behind the scenes, and we're just shooting the drone for Stephanie's little part for a promotional video. So, ooh, my hair is a mess. So it is currently 2:06 and we are eating our lunch, and once we're done with that, we're gonna get a little shower and get cleaned up and see what we do next. So this is our lunch. Stephanie got a little fish taco. I got some quesadillas, as well as Christina. Andy got a burger and some wings. And then everything just looks so good. So right now we are taking pictures, me and Stephanie. We've already taken a picture with one outfit, and we're kind of going back to the same location-ish, which is at the Oxygen Jungle Villas. They have beautiful places to take pictures, so we are gonna keep doing that. Dinner just came and everything looks so delicious.
So delicious.
So delicious. Look at Stephanie's fish.
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, look at that. And this is all from Oxygen Jungle Villas, and we got all these amazing meals. As you can see, breakfast through dinner, the whole experience, amazing. So it is December 15th. It is 8:08. I actually woke up around 6:50 and started getting ready, and I'm actually doing try-on videos right now. You see my whole bag of luggage there. The lighting looks so good right here. What the heck? But yeah, filming try-ons right now, glass-ons. This is the outfit I have on. I have a Motel Rocks try-on, and then I have a swimsuit try-on. So I'm getting those done here in this beautiful villa at Oxygen Jungle. That is what I am doing currently, and I'll keep you updated on today's activities. What is today? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, about Tuesday. So it is currently 9:37. I finished 3 try-on hauls. Stephanie and Andy went and took some pictures and took some videos of the hotel. Oh, your face is funny. And then now, this is what I'm wearing. Look how cute. It's really simple, just a purple top, and then I have a swimsuit underneath, and then blue jeans, swimsuit underneath, and then my Jesus sandals. Got Jesus on my necklace. And we're gonna actually go see monkeys. We're gonna see monkeys. But first we're gonna eat breakfast because we have not eaten breakfast. I'm starving. So we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna go see those monkeys, which is like an hour away. So it's not too far, but I'm excited. Aren't you excited, Stephanie? Very! Whee! So it's 10:38 a.m. and we stopped on the side of the road to a little restaurant, and we're gonna eat breakfast before we go see the monkeys, which is now only about like 20 minutes away from our location. I got the steak and it came with rice, beans, a little salad, some plantains, onions. So because we were going to see the monkeys, we decided to stop at this little shop over here. We stopped here to get some bananas, some grapes, some fruits for the monkeys to feed. I can't wait to show you that. So we just made it to Manuel Antonio. We parked really close to this beach out here, beautiful beach, and we are going to be walking towards the park. And there's going to be a trail where we're going to see all the animals, all the monkeys, be able to feed them. There's fruit, and then we're gonna stop by a beach, and it's just going to be beautiful. So right now we are on Manuel Antonio. As you can see, the beautiful beach is right here. This is so gorgeous. We're walking towards a trail where there's going to be an awesome amount of animals. Hopefully we'll see a bunch of cute monkeys, maybe a sloth, who knows what else. So right now we're getting coconut water. So they're literally just cutting it right in front of us so we can drink.
Andy made us go the wrong way, so Jennifer's very happy.
Hi.
Hey.
At the park, so cute. We actually found so many monkeys, which was pretty surprising. So it was really fun. Right now, Christina and Andy are taking some cute couple pictures at the beach, which is really pretty. And we're walking back to the car to find a place to eat. My eyeliner is gone. I'll just wipe it off. It is Wednesday the 16th, 10 a.m. Right now we are sitting down to eat some awesome breakfast. We shot some content for the resort before we started eating breakfast, so now we can finally sit down and get in our food. That looks absolutely delicious. Okay guys, so I'm here at Oxygen Jungle Villas in beautiful Uvita, Costa Rica. Here in the Jungle Villa, there's actually two types of villas here, the Ocean View and Jungle, and we're looking at the Jungle View. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys around this beautiful villa, so come along. As you can see, this is all glass. You're literally inside of a glass box. Sleep here, you wake up, you see the animals, you see the nature, it's all so beautiful. So come inside. And over here you have a beautiful bed. So with this villa, you have all your amenities, you have everything you need. As you can see, here's your bathroom. And then over here we have these two sinks. And of course, you have the mirror so you can admire yourself before admiring the beauty that's outside. And then over here we have this awesome shower. What I love about this shower is it does have that rain style faucet. So you really feel like you're in the jungle. It's like raining on you. I absolutely love the feeling of that. The view is so beautiful, all jungle. And we've actually seen a couple of animals around here, which has been absolutely amazing. And welcome to Oxygen Jungle Villas. Okay guys, so today is the last day in this beautiful resort here in Uvita, Costa Rica at Oxygen Jungle Villas. This is going to be the first part of my vlog exploring South Costa Rica, and then for my next vlog, which will be up right after this one, is going to be the view, the experience. We're going to do a lot more excursions, a lot more fun things in the next video, which is going to be North Costa Rica, and that's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be doing a bunch of fun things and I can't wait for you guys to see that, so make sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Make sure to check out all my social medias. I have some awesome pictures, some awesome content on my Instagram, on my TikTok of this trip that you have not seen here on this YouTube video, so please check that out and make sure to tell all your friends about Jennifer. Why? Because she's cool. Everyone should know who Jennifer is. Everyone in Costa Rica.